Bike taxi operator gunned down in Grange Hill, Westmoreland. Flood waters wash away vehicle in St. Mary. Driver dies. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Detectives in Westmoreland have launched an investigation into the shooting death of a bike taxi operator early Sunday morning. The victim has been identified as 23-year-old Fabian Powell of Top Lincoln, Grange Hill. Reports are that the incident happened around 1:30 a.m. Powell was sitting outside a bar on his motorcycle when a man approached him, pulled out a handgun, and fired several shots. The shooter then fled the scene on foot. Powell was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. More details to come following further investigations. A man is dead and 2 other passengers injured after a motor vehicle they were traveling in was washed away by flood waters near Hopewell in Highgate, St. Mary on Saturday. Heavy rains have been lashing sections of St. Mary since Friday night. The deceased motorist is believed to be a taxi operator. Preliminary reports are that the driver of the vehicle attempted to cross a fording that became flooded in the area. However, the force of the water pushed the vehicle into the Duck River. 2 passengers inside the vehicle managed to escape, but the driver was trapped inside the vehicle. After the water began subsiding, residents successfully removed the driver's lifeless body from the vehicle. The 2 injured passengers were transported to hospital for treatment.